This episode is brought to you by NordVPN, the best in online privacy. Go to nordvpn.com/BLP and get our exclusive discount off your NordVPN plan plus 1 month for free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Also brought to you by StreamYard. For the most professional live streams ever, use StreamYard. Head over to our special link down below in the description and sign up for a paid StreamYard plan today that includes a 14-day free trial.
What's going on? Welcome to The Bottom Line. I'm Jimmy Finizzi. I hope you're doing well. Be sure you hit us up on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at BottomLineWMCX and use hashtag BottomLine and follow us as well. It helps us a lot. Also, if you are new, make sure that you subscribe right here on YouTube and hit that bell so you don't miss an episode, and subscribe on all audio platforms that include Jimmy when searching for The Bottom Line. Yes, you read the title correctly. This is my first time ever hearing Parkway Drive. Now, if you are also unfamiliar with Parkway Drive, they are a metalcore band from Byron Bay, New South Wales, Australia. So we're checking out some Australian metal music today. I really do like that. And they formed in 2003, so they've been in the game for quite some time. But I had a personal friend of mine suggest that I react to this band. So today we're checking out their song called Vice Grip. I'm pretty excited about this, and if you are too, smash that like button. Helps out tremendously. So let's just jump straight into this. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Already loving the instrumentation. Oh! Amen. Keep the flame alive. Oh. Man, I love this guy screams, man. Hell yeah! Ooh! And then they go out of the plane. I'm really loving this, especially the message. Man. was awesome, man. Absolutely awesome. First of all, when it comes to the music video, I love it. However, you cannot pay me enough to skydive. Full disclosure, I am horribly afraid of heights, and if somebody ever asked me to skydive, I'd be like, hell no, I'll pass. But that's beside the point. Secondly, instrumentation, flat out awesome. I love the guy's vocals, so much emotion and grit in his screams. Absolutely love it. You just feel the screams inside of you. It just fires you up in some type of way, and I absolutely love that. And when it comes to the message, it's just plain simple. You got one life, one shot, give it all you got, keep the flame inside you alive, no matter what. And I think that is super powerful stuff. You can carry that with you wherever you go in life. As long as you keep going, that's all that matters in this world, because you are needed here. You were brought here for a reason. Now go out and live your purpose in life. This song is so inspirational and so awesome. I love what these guys have done. This gets a 10 out of 10 from me, and that's the bottom line. What do you think about this? Let me know down below in the comments on YouTube and on all social media at BottomlineWMCX, and use hashtag bottomline. And if you want more Parkway Drive content, let me know what you want to hear next. I'm Jimmy Finizzi, this is The Bottom Line, and I'll see you next time. Peace, and take care.